Today I'm going to walk you through how we ear tag lambs. This is a quick process when you're prepared, and it makes flock management so much easier. Ear tagging helps us track lineage, health records, and breeding data. When done correctly, it's fast, humane, and causes only brief discomfort, similar to an ear piercing. Got my first gun loaded here.
Where's Salty?
She's right there. You have to control their face, because if you're just holding the neck, they can still move their head around. Okay. So this is a little boy. So I've got everybody's number and who their dam is.
That's my code book. And that Dan?
This is Captain Seaman. He's Salty's baby, and he's a male, so he's gonna be.
Hey, Chip, get out of my way. No, don't eat the camera.
So now I've got the
Straight at the lamb.
female end of the matching number, which is great about these tags is that you can see the number from either side. If I put it on right. Okay.
That should be the thumbnail.
Good.
I thought you were supposed to do the tip first.
No, you don't want it on the tip because it can rip out, and it will weight his ears down. There. Mess them up, and those testicles are trying to slip back in there. So I don't want to just get the sack. And I don't want to pinch on top of these. Test these.
Yeah, got it. Here, what are you? Here. I think she will.
That's gonna hurt.
Sorry, buddy. One down.
This is Sailor. Yep, we need 23 right here. And then
Good.
go back to Mama.
2 down.
Okay, so this is Fern.
It's so easy just to catch babies.
Well, sometimes, some of them I think are hard.
Mama! 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 That's baby. That's baby. I got this one, Mommy.
We did Fern.
We've
done Sailor. We've done Salty. Now we need to do Frida. She's number
Mommy,
16.
I got Frida. I think I do. I'm gonna try to catch another baby.
Okay.
Do you want me to squeeze it?
After that one,
Which one is this?
This is Lady.
So this one goes here.
You gotta lift that up. Well, we're about to tag her. After we tag her, we'll return her.
Why can't you just go?
Iodine on.
Right here. Beautiful. Number 24. Okay,
Is that Ladybird?
this is Lady.
Oh, circling
Now,
the names so we know they're done.
for the other baby.
When catching the larger ewes, it's helpful to get them off of their feet. This takes away their flight instinct, and they will sit there calmly for you.
Right here, right? Right here.
Right.
In between the veins, not at the very tip.
Do it in the middle or?
That's where I've been doing it.
Right there?
Good job. It's Andy. It's gonna be number 20.
land them, it probably take a few days for them to fall off.
Okay, watch out, Hugo.
We should go a little bit more here. Okay, pretty good.
There you go. Now one more operation for you.
It is castrating.
These green bands?
Yes.
They look pretty tiny. Uh-oh.
Oh,
Does that work?
it's a girl.
Ouchie. All right, that's a pretty simple process. Shelly's triplets.
Show, roll.
I'll hold this one
This is
for you.
Peanut. Okay, left ear on this guy.
Oh no. Oh no. Again.
Here.
Yep.
Oh. He broke loose. He
He
broke
needs
loose.
a band.
And he needs a band. He's a naughty one. He's a naughty one.
No.
Naughty by nature.
He's coming back.
So we got this.
Yeah.
We want those in. Hold on. Okay, there's the sack. There's the sack. Okay,
Oh no.
go ahead. There's Shelly.
Right here.
Right here, it's a girl. There you go, roll. Now let's have Peanut.
I guess it's
15.
turning into a peanut butter. Fudge.
She's got a peanut spot.
Humble and
It's a girl.
bouncy.
It's a
I'm
girl.
ready.
That's the rest are girls.
I'm ready. I'm ready. Pretty good. There we go.
So you can see the fluff through the other side.
Yeah.
That's Peach.
We gotta look for lambs with no tag. Okay. I'm not gonna get away. I know that.
Right here.
That was kind of a rodeo.
Hugo. We're gonna need more tags.
I only brought out here what we needed.
Oh, I thought this was all the tags.
No, I didn't, wouldn't that suck to have to dig through all of them and only
Oh,
bring out
yeah.
what you need?
Right.
Bouncy, hey, that's my good notes, buddy.
It's my notes.
No, that's my nose.
So we're done.
Last one left.
That's how we ear tag lambs. Simple, calm, prepared. I hope you will be prepared. You let them bond. Once they're done bonding, when they're little and easy to catch, go ahead and tag them so you can identify them for your best management practices. If this helped you, please give us a like. We'd really appreciate it. See you in the next one.